Panel brushes, which we produce by our experienced engineers based on the needs of our customers, offer solution partnerships in many sectors. It is used in cleaning, polishing, transportation, and protection against impacts. It can be used for many years without any deformation due to its bristle structure, our workmanship, and quality materials we use. Since the usage area is very extensive, panel brushes are produced in any length, width, and delivered to the customers. With the knowledge and experience of 30 years, we continue to develop our panel brushes with the aim of delivering perfect results to our customers.